How to make peace with coronavirus. Dr. Nikola Tesla said, if you want to find the secret of universe, think in terms of frequencies, energies and vibration. These three words, frequencies, energies and vibrations, are intimately connected. Vibration can be felt, heard and seen. So when you increase your body vibration, you automatically become healthy. So when you are healthy, even coronavirus enters your body, it can peacefully exit without harming you. Let's see the frequencies of a human body. If you are a healthy human, overall your body frequency is around 62 to 70 megahertz. And if you are down with cold or flu, it will be around 57 to 58. And if someone is suffering with cancer, it's around 42 megahertz. Finally, if someone is dying, then it will be around 20 to 25 megahertz. These are the fundamental frequencies of a human body. So today I'm going to talk about 5 ways that how we can increase our body vibration. Number 1 is food. We all know this saying that what you eat is what you are. All the foods has different kind of frequencies, high and low frequencies. So let's look at some of the foods we eat daily. Processed food. It has 0 megahertz. Yes, you heard it very clear. It has only 0 megahertz. If you are eating dead meats like beef, chicken, pork, all these things has around 3 to 5 megahertz. And raw almonds and nuts, those kind of foods are having around 50 megahertz. Lively foods like green leaves, like spinach, broccoli, these kind of foods are having around 65 to 75 megahertz. Increasing your vibration means you are always healthy. Second one is giving gratitude. Power of gratitude is greater than any negative situation. So if you have anger, fear, jealousy, hatred, you can't be grateful. Because with these kind of feelings, you can say I am grateful or I am thankful for anything. You need to have a good feelings to be grateful and thankful for anything. When you wake up in the morning, give gratitude for everything you have around you. If you don't have anything that particular day to be grateful that you have one more day on this earth. Today's situation, having a one more day is a wonderful thing. You can be grateful for that. Practice of gratitude is grateful for what you have versus what you are lacking. Third one is move your body. How you will move your body? You can do any kind of physical activities like dancing, yoga, stretching, be intimate with your partner, do some housework. Because when you do any kind of physical activities, there are chemicals like dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin released. These chemicals are called happy hormone because it contributes to well-being of happiness. So when you are happy, as I mentioned you earlier, your vibration levels always go high. So whenever you do any kind of activity, do with passion. So then these kind of chemicals will released and you will be always happy and healthy. The fourth one is meditation. In ancient time, meditation is only used for enlightenment. Actually, meditation is really helpful to get rid of your misery and problem. The more responsibility you have is the more need for meditation, because it will calm down yourself, it will keep you grounded and you have a clarity, you can think with clear mind. These are the benefit of meditation. Meditation is very easier than you think, because when you hear word meditation, you get scared. You think, oh my God, I can't do meditation. I have to think straight, I have to block my mind, I have to empty my mind, I need to concentrate on one thing. This is not going to happen. So you get so scared of meditation. It is actually wrong. The essence of meditation is awareness. What is awareness? Awareness is be aware of your thoughts, your actions, what is happening around you. So this is the awareness. Just imagine when you wake up in the morning, you go to the washroom to take shower. So while taking shower, you're thinking of lot of things. What I'm going to cook, what is will be happen in the meeting today, will I reach office on time? These kind of so many things you're thinking while you're taking shower. Instead of that, just think, okay, now I'm putting shampoo to my head, I'm cleaning my body. Be in that moment. Even if you're having dinner or lunch, whatever your meal, what people are doing nowadays, they bring their laptop, mobile, everything, and they're just keeping on there, they're just eating. They're not aware of what is happening, that is really bad. So if you start being aware of everything happening around you, that is the stepping point for the meditations. Meditation is food for your mind and soul. Fifth one is observation. Changing our observation. Our own observation is our own reality. Due to negative beliefs, bad memories, grief, pain, we are always suffering. Pain is passed on from one generation to next until someone has the courage to step out of this cycle and heal it. If not, we will pass this pain to our progeny also. Let's look at this corona situation and how are we going to change our observation. What are we doing right now? From morning to evening, we are absorbing all the negative news and we will become full of negative. Instead of that, if you observe what are the good thing has happened to you due to this lockdown, you will definitely find some. I always wanted to start my YouTube channel, but I did not start. For last 2 years, I am telling this to my family. Finally, thanks to coronavirus, I started my YouTube channel also. I am sure if you observe properly, you will find few good things which has happened to you due to this corona lockdown. Start giving attention to what you are doing and how it makes you feel, because true currencies of the world is not money. It is frequencies, energies and vibrations. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.